everyone. This is what's jumping in my pot today. No Peek Chicken Rice Casserole. Let's get to it. Now, this dish I'm making today is very quick, simple, and easy. You don't have to be a good cook or anything to make this. Here is the ingredients: salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, Lipton onion soup, make fresh chopped parsley, chicken broth, cream of chicken soup, cream of mushroom soup. I have chicken breast here that I've already washed, and the rice. Now, this is the first thing we do. I have a large bowl here with the rice in it. We're going to add the cream of chicken soup, the cream of mushroom soup, some Italian seasoning, chicken broth. Then we mix it up. I have a baking dish here, and we're going to add the mixture.
So this is mostly a one pan, one dump dish then.
Yes, it is. Very quick and easy.
How did you season the chicken?
Black pepper and salt.
That's it?
And a little paprika. Now, we place the uncooked chicken on top.
So this would be, you would say it's less than 30 minutes.
You know, the cooking time is an hour and 15 minutes.
But the preparation is way less than 30 minutes.
About 10 minutes.
Yeah, you're right. You don't need to know how to cook. This is real easy. This is one pan, very quick one pan dish, and it's cheap.
We take the Lipton onion soup mix and we sprinkle it over the top. Then we take some foil, cover it up, and I have my oven set to 360 degrees. I'm going to pop this in the oven and let it bake for an hour and 15 minutes.
This is an easy one pan dump and go recipe. It's definitely good if you're coming in after a hard day's work. You drop it all in the pan, just mix it all together and put it in the oven.
Yeah, that's right. It bakes for an hour and 15 minutes, and that gives you a time to unwind, to go take a shower or go watch some television, watch the news, whatever.
On social media, because that's what everybody do now anyway.
Yes, do that.
Or you could be checking out more recipes on Jumpin In The Pot.
That's right. You go to that channel.
Like, subscribe, share, and also all of the ingredients are in the description box below.
Now we're going to add some parsley over the top.
This looks good.
Yes, it do.
Well, looks like it's time to serve it up.
There you have it. No Peek Chicken Rice Casserole. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, X, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.